Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Zohaib. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic. The title of this talk is The Integration of Artificial Intelligence in Judiciary, Enhancing Efficiency or Undermining Justice. The presentation is built upon insight drawn from a landmark judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, titled as Ishfaq Ahmed versus Mushtaq Ahmed. The judgment not only resolved a civil dispute regarding the rent method, but did something unusual. It used this simple case to make a strong statement about artificial intelligence and the justice system. So, stay with me as we explore how technology is reshaping courts for better or for worse. Artificial intelligence is changing almost every single profession, and the legal field is no exception. In courts, AI can help speed up things, manage documentations, and assisting in legal research. Courts are using AI tools like JetGPT and the most famously ChatGPT to improve legal drafting for deep legal research, which provides a broad insight. The Shfaq Ahmed case decision, which was initially a rent dispute case and resulted into a great work on AI use in Pakistan's judicial system, but at the same time it raises serious concerns. As what about the human side of judging? What happens to fairness? This presentation takes a deeper look at these questions by using this case. This case started as a simple rent dispute between two brothers over a small house measuring 5 marlas situated in Rajgarh, Lahore. The petitioner Ishfaq Ahmed said his brother, which is the respondent in this case, rented the property but had not paid rent since July 2016, which followed and led 7 years of battles ending in the 2025 Supreme Court ruling. The court confirmed Ishfaq's ownership and ruled that the brother must vacate the property. But what made this case special was not just ruling. It was how the court used the case to talk about AI, court delays, and how technology might help fix the system. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah used this case as a chance to talk about deeper problems. He said the 7 year delay in resolving a rent matter showed how badly our court need help. He pointed out that Article 10A and 37D of the Constitution guarantee fair and quick trial, but in reality, that often doesn't happen. He then turned to AI. He said AI is not meant to replace judges, but it can help them manage workloads better and make the system more efficient. The court also praised judges around the world which are already using AI, like the Colombia, the US, and even Pakistan have seen many examples where judges consulted AI while writing decisions. But he made it clear we need strong rules to make sure AI to stays a tool, not a decision maker. Artificial intelligence has some clear potential benefits. First, it helps judges with legal research, finding case laws and statutory laws, and even international judgments much faster. Secondly, it helps improve the language and structure of the judgment, making them clearer and coherent. Thirdly, it can help assign cases more fairly and evenly across judges. Last but not the least, AI also lets judges learn from foreign laws and help them summarizing big complicated files quickly. So, if used properly, no doubt AI can really save time and effort. But here is the flip side. AI is not perfect. Sometimes AI makes things up. This is called hallucination. It can hallucinate, mean AI can invent cases, misquote facts, or fabricated legal references, and that can be dangerous in law. Also, we do not always know how AI tools reaches their conclusion, which makes it hard to trust them. If judges rely too much on AI, it could weaken human judgment. There's a risk factor that AI may carry hidden impartiality, especially if it is trained on unfair data. That's why the court said we need human oversight, strict rules, and full transparency whenever AI is being used in our justice system. One of the most powerful insights in the judgment was about the role of mediation and alternative dispute resolution, which is commonly known as area in the age of technology. The court recognized that while AI is great for speed and logic, no doubt it simply cannot do what a human mediator can. AI lacks empathy. It cannot understand emotions, rebuild trust, or truly listen to people. These human skills are absolutely essential and crucial in resolving personal or sensitive conflicts. That's why the court believes mediation would not disappear. It will actually become more important. As AI over the technical parts of the legal process, human lawyers and judges will need to become even better at communications and emotional intelligence and helping people find peaceful solutions. In short, ADR is not just surviving, it's evolving. The Supreme Court made it clear that while AI can support judges, it must never ever replace them. Judges are responsible for every decision they make. AI suggestions must always be double checked, and clear national policies are needed to guide how AI is used in our courts. The judgment beautifully reminds us that things like empathy, fairness, and moral reasoning cannot be automated. AI must work under human supervision. Many advanced countries are also thinking carefully about how to use AI in courts to get better results. For example, in the United States, the Illinois Supreme Court says judges can use AI, but they must always stay in control. The United Kingdom also doesn't allow AI to make legal decisions. In Canada and Australia, judges are encouraged to be cautious. Singapore allows AI in court, but only under strict rules. And in the European Union, AI in the legal system is treated as high risk technology. Now, let's come back to our question. Does AI enhance efficiency or does it undermine justice? The answer is not black and white. It depends on how we use it. The courtroom is not a machine. It is a place for understanding fairness and humanity. AI can support justice, but it cannot deliver it alone. AI should be used to make our justice system more efficient, but ADR, the alternative dispute resolution techniques, reminds us that justice is not only about speed or data. It's about fairness, empathy, and understanding. The future of dispute resolution must protect these human values. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to read the judgment, the link is in the description box. Thank you.